You guys, look, we're trying to go into the furniture store, and every time we get out the car, this dog comes towards us. Where is it?
Right there in front.
Look at the dog. We can't even go in the furniture store. So we call the furniture store, and the man's gonna come out and get the dog out the way. Look, there you go right there. Aight? Okay, we're being rescued. Okay, so we're at Ashley's. This is the couch I'm thinking of getting. It's called the Cambry collection. She's super cute. She's neutral. I'm not gonna get the ottoman because I want to do my own little table, but yeah, this is the couch right here. And then they also have it in this gray color, but I think I'm gonna go with the lighter color. They have some really cute stuff in here. Like, I love this bed, but I already have a bed, so I don't have to worry about that. And then I love this table that goes like, kind of like over an ottoman. But I feel like you could DIY this so easily. Go to Home Depot and get like 3 planks and put it together. Anyway. Okay, so after we finished shopping and doing some damage, we went to 100x35 a Fuego, which is a Puerto Rican restaurant in the Irmo/Columbia area. You guys, this Puerto Rican restaurant is so good. My mom and I both got the tripleta. It was so good. My dad got arroz con gandule, pernil, I think it was, y plátano maduro. Delicious. 10 out of 10. Okay, so another quick update on the house. We got these gorgeous bar stools from HomeGoods. These were $129 each, and I love them. It goes with the vibe that I'm trying to create in the house, which is like modern, grays, blacks, and I just love them. They're made out of, this is iron, and then it has this gray fabric. They're pretty comfortable, and yeah, I really love them. You guys, you know how it is to try and film for YouTube and TikTok and Instagram because the formats and the layout is so different. So here's some footage. I got this as a housewarming gift. It's a dish plate set, super cute, very slick and modern, just like I like it. Here I got the bed from Amazon. It came in a box, and of course you have to give it 24 to 48 hours to expand. And here I'm just showing you how I take it out the wrapper. You know, super cute, trying to be, I guess, a YouTuber, TikToker, whatever these people be doing. But just know, this is not easy. I got like multiple cameras going at the same time, and it's just a lot of work. But I enjoy doing it, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Okay, so the next thing I'm putting together is my bed. I got this bed from Wayfair, and it was, I think, about $172. It's by the brand Gita, I don't know, but I will link everything down below. This bed was super easy to install or put together. It only took me about an hour. My mom did help me in some of the pieces, but I feel like one person could do it. Like I said, $172, super cute, very sturdy, it's not squeaky. I really am enjoying this bed. I've had it for about, I think, 2 or 3 weeks now, so I highly recommend. I will put everything down below, so keep on watching. Little ASMR session, I guess. this canopy bed. I got it from Wayfair, and it was about, I think, like $172. And the brand is called Yita, I don't know, Yita Homes. I'll put it on the screen. Super cute. I cannot wait till I get, you know, the correct covers to make it nice and fluffy. I want to have like modern hotel vibes in here. So yeah, this is the next update. Super cute bed frame. That's crazy.
Hello.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿cómo está? I got my washer and dryer. They're so cute. They're by Samsung. This is a top loader and then a front loader dryer. They look so good. We're definitely gonna DIY this and make it cute. But yeah, that's what we have.
Tantas cosas que quiero explorar contigo. Qué rico el bronceado marcado en tu ombligo.